Good morning. I'm Dr. Deuk at the Deuk Spine Institute. I'm here with a patient on February 28th, 2024, who just underwent the Deuk plasma rhizotomy for his sacroiliac joint pain. You had it done yesterday. How are you feeling today?
Pretty good, a little soreness from the surgery, but other than that, I don't have any knife pain in my back anymore. I can actually, sit pretty comfortably before I had to lean way out of my chair. So far, so good.
And you had SI joint pain for how long?
The total, it's been about a year and 9-10 months. It's really ramped up here in the last 6 months and gotten pretty unbearable.
Now, you had another procedure done at Deuk Spine on your discs with laser, correct?
Mm-hmm.
How did that go for you?
Really well, as far as I can tell. I did have, of course, the facet pain during it, so it was hard to tell in the beginning, but now it's definitely, I don't feel anything related to my discs that I had going on before, and I think it fixed it, definitely.
So you're a good example of a patient who obviously has more than one cause to their back pain. It turns out that trauma is the cause of all these injuries that result in back pain. The trauma affected discs, facets, SI joint, and piriformis muscle in your case. You're an example of how you can't just fix one thing and expect the pain to go away. You got to fix everything.
Mm-hmm.
You agree?
Yes, definitely.
So I'm sure this has been a journey for you.
Yep.
A learning journey,
Mm-hmm.
where you're learning about all the different causes
Yep.
of back pain.
Mm-hmm.
And it turns out there are 30 causes of back pain, 30 individual specific things. And Deuk Spine Institute knows all of them, and we know how to diagnose them and fix them. And you've had some of your problems fixed.
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
Anything you want to say to your fans out there?
I'd say anybody who's, looking for somebody who can take care of your problems, I'd go with Dr. Deuk. He's the man for the job.
Deuk Spine Institute. I may not be here forever, but our treatments and philosophies will. All right, well, thanks for sharing.
Yeah.